In our last video, we saw how AI creates a universe of meaning. But every universe has rules, and every world has a map. What if I told you there's a single concept that acts as the map for what AI and engineering systems can achieve? It's called the column space, and today we're going to draw that map together. In our last video, we saw how AI creates a universe of meaning with vectors. But every universe has laws, and every world needs a map.
To understand this map, we need a secret key, a different way of looking at the most common equation in all of data science. AX equals B. The secret key is called the column picture, and it tells us that AX is simply a combination of the column vectors inside the matrix A.
Now for the big question. If we can change the combination, the vector x, what are all the possible vectors B that we can create?
If our matrix A only had one column vector, all we could create would be a single line of possibilities.
But when we have two column vectors, we can combine them to paint an entire 2D plane. We can reach a whole universe of new places.
This plane of all possible reachable outputs is the column space. It is the map of our universe. This gives the equation AX equals B a beautiful geometric meaning. A solution exists only if the target vector B lives on our map. If B is outside the column space, the equation has no solution. We simply can't get there with the vectors we have.
So now we have the map. But how was this beautiful map drawn in the first place? What is the fundamental, almost secret brushstroke that creates this entire universe?
Now we have the map. But how was this beautiful map drawn in the first place? What is the fundamental, almost secret brushstroke that creates this entire universe? To find out, we need to go one level deeper. In our next video, we'll reveal the first principle, the column picture.
Subscribe.